Hi everyone, welcome to the Xoro vendor credit tutorial for managing your vendor credits. We're just going to quickly walk through how to search them, how to see them in different views, how to print them and email them. So I'm at the vendor credits center, and as usual, the center has many of the other options that are available in other centers. So you can sort vendor credits by statuses. You can also view vendor credits differently. So currently in this view, in this vendor credit view, each row represents one vendor credit in the system. I can show all vendor credit item details. So this is basically going to show all items, all SKUs that have been added to a vendor credit. So from this view, I can actually do an advanced search and I can find out what items have been vendor credited. So for example, I can do something like this. See that, okay, these SKUs have been added to this vendor credit. I can do a similar view for vendor credit expense detail. That's going to show all my expense lines for underneath vendor credits. And then I can also do vendor credit bill map. That's going to show me all the vendor credit amounts that have been applied to a bill, because that's how vendor credits get applied in the bill payment module underneath the credit amount. There'll be a separate video for that, but basically you can apply vendor credit amounts during a bill payment. So these four different views kind of show you the vendor credits in a different, all in different ways. So typically this is the most common view that you'll have, the vendor credit. If you double click and open a vendor credit here, you'll actually be able to print it. So you can print it and then you can add it to the email queue as well. So if I click print, it's actually going to give me a printout view, a template for a vendor credit. And if you click on the email button, it's actually going to let you add it to the email queue, or if you need to send the email right away, you can do that as well. And of course, you have your normal searching options for vendor credits using the advanced search to the right here. So that's basically how you manage your vendor credit.